today too. Drew got the boot. Drew got the boot because Drew told me to buy Fubo. I didn't. You know, I saw that downward momentum. I didn't do it. But he told me to do it. I said no. Look at where the stock is now. So Drew's banned from the show, unfortunately. That's the deal with Drew. Sorry, guys.
Luke, I thought you said that Drew was picking up Jason from the dentist.
And Drew is also going to be picking up Jason Raznick. That's right, my normal lovely co-host from the dentist. Jason has been at the dentist for about 2 weeks now. You know, we speculated he might be getting dentures. Maybe he's getting grills. You know, he's going to come back with some gold in his teeth. Maybe he's going to come back with no teeth at all. Again, guys, I think any outreach of support for Jason during his 2 weeks at the dentist would be helpful. His Twitter handle is @JasonRaznick. That's @JasonRaznick on Twitter. Please shoot him a tweet and say, Jason, I hope you're doing well at the dentist. Luke has been struggling without you. Aaron Thomas, producer Aaron, is going to drop Jason's Twitter handle into the chat here, so y'all can go ahead and do that. But all right, guys, we're jam-packed today. We want to talk stock ideas. We want to get the juices flowing. Let's get the ideas out there. I'm going to give you guys, here are my 4 stocks for 2021 and why I like them. And I'm going to challenge everybody out there, everybody on the stream. I want you to put in your favorite ticker for 2021. Anywhere from 1 to 3 tickers. I want to know what they are. And producer Aaron, can you get Young Investor the link so he can hop on with us? But all right, without further ado, I am going to drop in the 4 stocks that I like for 2021. None of these are going to be surprises. There are stocks that I've talked about, already have a position in. If producer Aaron wants to pull up my screen here, I've got my live interactive brokers account. This is the account that we trade in every single day on the show.
Can you plug in your HDMI cord to your laptop?
Oh, hold on. I'm not plugged in yet.
I can hear you.
All right, there we go. Now we're gonna get the live portfolio up here on the screen. But here are the conviction picks for the year, and then I'm gonna read through the ones in the chat. So drop those in there. But first on my list, number 1, ticker F4. You've heard me bitch it before. Yes, I am standing here in beautiful Detroit, Michigan. But I like Ford because they have the electric vehicle platform rolling out. They have the Bronco rolling out. I just saw one on the road. It's freaking beautiful. And the stock is also trading at a good discount, right? So I think if the EV story picks up, the stock is going to run wild. And then you're defended on that trade because the valuation is in line and fair. Number two conviction pick on the day, PayPal, PYPL. That's right, PayPal is a way to play crypto, the crypto momentum with a large cap company. Even without crypto, PayPal has still doubled its revenue over the past 3 years. They do have significant crypto exposure. It's an easy way for individuals out there to get into the crypto market. The stock has not moved with this run up on crypto. So I think that we are going to see some significant upside on PayPal into the next year. Stock number 3 on my 2021 list. We bought this one a couple of weeks ago. We're already up about 10% of the trade. Ticker PSTH. That's Pershing Square Holdings. It's a SPAC. Everybody knows what this one is. This is Bill Ackman's SPAC. The reason why I like this one in particular, 2 reasons. 1, management, right? Bill Ackman, he's an activist investor. Whenever he invests in a company, he gets in there. He gets aggressive. He throws management around. So he is not going to do a shitty deal. Reason number 2 why I like Bill Ackman's SPAC is that it is a massive SPAC. So anything that he's buying is going to be a household name. So that's why I like that one. We'll get a pop when the deal is announced. And stock number 4, the last thing on my list, is a little bit more conservative of a play. But if you want a staple that should see some upside, I'm looking at ticker HD, Home Depot. There's my expectation is that Q4, Q1, there's still not going to be a lot of travel. There's not going to be a whole ton of spending. It's coming into winter. I think that there should be money spent at Home Depot. The company is investing heavily into its store presences for a reason. The stock has not changed with any of these trends, right? It's held out flat. That's the hypothesis. And then again, with Home Depot, you're defended on valuation. Even if the thesis has not come out or does not play out well, where they don't see that increase in sales, the valuation, the multiples are still in line, so you will not get cracked on the trade. So there you have it. Those are Hot Stocks Luke's 4 picks for 2021. All right, and let's look through these. I want to see what everybody says for their stocks for 2021. QS. Jose is throwing in QS. That's Here, let's pull up all these charts as we're hammering through them. All right, QS. That's been a hot one. Quantum Scope. I believe that was a spec. Look at the 3-month chart on this thing. So there's QS ROPT. I don't know that one. Nope, it's a mistake. It's Riot Blockchain ROIT. No, RIOT. There we go. So Riot Blockchain we have in there. Bitcoin is in there. GMBL. That is a gambling stock. Oh no, esports. Okay, that's an esports stock. BFT. And let's see, NGA. So who's giving us those? So that's Steve Delaney throwing out those tickers. COUV. We actually had Rodrigo out of Zinger Nation on the show on Monday pitching this stock. Up 37% today. Let's go. Round of applause for Rodrigo being the first brave soul to come out here on the show and pitch a stock for us out of the chat. CRISPR is another one. CRSP. That has been a hot stock this year. Tesla, Apple, PayPal. Yeah, there's another PayPal. All right, JR is coming in with PayPal as well, along with Pins. That's Pinterest, GRWG. I don't know that one. GRWG, Grow Generation. I'm guessing that's a cannabis stock, and APPN. Wow, I actually hate this stock, so this is one that we should talk about. So all right, we got to write this one down. All right, JR, I'm super against Appian, and one day we're going to have to duke it out and talk about why. All right, Simon likes Palantir and TLS. I don't know what TLS is. Telos. Yeah, some people hate QS. I sort of hate QS. Sumo is another one coming from Damon. He likes Sumo. Palantir, Snow, NNDM. That's the Kathleen Wood play. PJ Williams likes Apple. Frank M. Clean Spark. Another SQ in there. We got an Etsy. All right, so this is a pretty good basket of stocks. So what we're gonna do, I think this is gonna be a lot of fun. So I'll go through the chat comments at the end of this show and build a basket out of all these stocks, right? These are all of our top picks for 2021. Let's see how they do. And we don't have to compete on it, right? I don't think it has to be one person versus another. But let's just see how good, as a group, is Zinger Nation at picking stocks. That's what the move is. All right. Without further ado, I think it's time to hop over to our next segment. Producer Aaron, do we have Jesse Elite on the stream with us? All right, we don't have Jesse Elite, but we do have Tony from Toledo. All right, let's do it. Let's bring on Tony from Toledo. Tony, we're about to switch you over here. If you guys don't know Tony, he is in the chat. Yesterday he came on and gave us a stock pick. Right as he was wrapping up that pick, he said, hey, tomorrow's my birthday. I've got more picks for you. So we said, all right, come on this show again tomorrow. Let's give us that 5-minute stock pitch. And let's, of course, wish him happy birthday as well. And while Tony's going, he threw a challenge out there. This was not my idea. This was his. Guess what his age is. So comment in the chat with a guess as to what his age is. Again, his idea, not mine. And the last point that I'll make is we want to be doing this every day, right? This show is about trade ideas. That's why we're doing it. We want to get ideas flowing. We have such a big, powerful community out there. I want to get a couple people every single show on the stream to talk trade ideas. So, guys, email aaronbry@benzinga.com if you want to come on next week. We're going to get that email in the chat. But, all right. Can we get Tony onto the stream, please? There we go. What's up, man? Can you hear me? Yes, sir.
I can hear you.
All right. You sound good. And today's your birthday. So happy birthday.
Yes. Thank
there
you.
We go. All right. Another year. And you even have another stock pick for us. And remind us of the
Yes.
symbol that you gave yesterday.
Yesterday was T as in Tom, O as in Oscar, E as in boy, A as in apple, F as in Frank. It's TAT, TAAT is the company, but the ticker for us is TOBAF. Here in the United States and Canada.
That was the stock that he pitched yesterday. All right, and Tony from Toledo, what is the one that you have for us today?
Okay, today we have a stock that is also very unique. It's a company out of Israel. They have patents in about 26 countries. They are producing baby food, but it is dairy-free, soy-free, every kind of free there is, so they don't have competition in the industry. It's you name it, dairy, whatever. It's a small company. Just they were getting started. They had a contract with a distributor to open this thing up in March of this year, so they got pushed back a little bit. They have a good marketing team in the United States, and they're pushing this stuff. It's plant-based baby food. No dairy, no soy, no gluten.
Okay, so it's
The whole
trendy.
health.
At the very least, it's trendy.
Okay. The ticker for United States is baby F. B as in boy, A as in apple, B as in boy, Y as in yellow, F. Hold on.
F is in Fox.
Baby F. Yeah, F is in Frank. So baby F. Okay. I'm not saying go out there and buy it right now. I think it's plant based. A lot of companies are popping up their plant based for health wise. I say the old saying, buy the dip. I mean, I'm in it. I got in early right after they IPO'd, but I just believe it's a good stock if you want to hold on to it. Luke, any comments?
All right, so I've got a couple. So tell me a little bit about the valuation. Where's the market cap at right now? And then what's the catalyst? Are we waiting for this thing to hit stores? When are we going to see the sales?
Okay, they have started in stores. They've started online. They have an agreement with a marketing company and distribution company in California to start really marketing this thing for like drugstores, grocery stores, that type of thing. They're in the plant-based food industry. Most of these companies are producing a meat-like.
Sorry, keep going. That was my fault.
Okay. Most of the plant-based companies are making what they call meat, like a hamburger or something else. This is baby food. I do not believe there's any other plant-based baby food out there. And as a result of all their research, they plan on going into a bunch of other countries because they have patents in these other countries. They believe they really don't have any competition because the health-wise mother, if she wants to feed her baby food that's healthy, this is what I believe she would go for. I'm not a mother, obviously. I have kids, but any other comments? I don't have the market cap in front of me, Luke. You guys should be able to look it up on Benzinga Pro. They're pretty quick.
Yep, we'll find it. It's looking like it's 345 million or so is what the market cap is. I don't have my OTC charts for some reason today. But there you have it. Stock's at 312 right now. We've got at least one other person in the chat who's in this stock. So guys, let's throw out the vote on Tony's pick. This is Tony from Toledo, a member of the chat, a member of Zinger Nation. He threw out BABYF. That is the ticker. If you guys like the stock, hit the 1. If you don't like the stock, hit the 2. Curious to see where everybody is at with this one.
They have an influencer come out that they about paid. This is Alec Baldwin stuff with influencer. Just his name had a bunch of news come out about it. I don't know. This is Alec Baldwin's wife that she pronounces it name Hillary or something. She pronounces it. In any event, she's an influencer. Whether she's going to help out or not, you know, she pronounces it social or something. Supposed to help. In any event, they enlisted her help for whatever that's worth.
Awesome. All right.
I've got another plant-based company too, if you're interested.
You can't drop them all on us at once. We gotta get.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead and talk. Yeah. I'm sorry. Go ahead and talk.
No,
I seem to be doing all the talking.
We like the ideas, and I like how you're approaching it. You're not giving us like, here's my pitch for Disney. You know, you're doing. Here are some undiscovered companies that I think could have some serious impact, and I think that both of these are potentially takeout targets as well, right? Yeah. Yesterday you picked the smoking.
Oh, absolutely.
Yes, we've seen PMI pick up so many of those companies. So I like it. And
yeah,
Chad,
I mean, there's a lot of good big baby food companies, so they may be a target at some point. It's early. It's very early.
Yep, and the chat seems pretty mixed. It seems like we've got an equal number of ones for people who like the stock, twos for people who don't like it, but those are the best stocks, I think. And then Tony, you did ask us to have the chat guess your age.
Yes.
I don't know if you've been watching the comments, or if
No,
you want to
I-
give us
I
the
did not
answer, and
see it.
I'll check if anybody nailed it.
Luke, what do you think?
I'm going to go with. Oh God, you're putting me on the spot. Give me 52. How's that?
It's an even number. Are you guys ready? Because I don't see the chat. I am, believe it or not, and I hate to admit this, at what I think is an old number, and again, age is just a number. Because I feel like I'm about 19. I got a
Good.
younger wife.
I hope
Event,
we all feel like we're 19.
In any event, I am 6'0", 60. Believe it or not, I can't
Woo!
believe it.
All right.
I cannot believe it. I'm hoping maybe somebody guessed it. I don't know if anybody guessed it, but maybe there's some Benzinga
let's see, let's look. I'm
swag around
looking.
there.
We got no 60s on the dots. We got a lot of close. We got a 50, 56. Let's see, a 62, 59.
Oh my God.
No 60s on the dots. Nobody's walking home with a prize. Sorry, guys. We'll have to try again next. But
I would
actually,
take Benzinga flag, at free advertising for you guys. A T-shirt or a cap, baseball cap.
yeah, Tony, why
most-
don't
most-
send us an email with your address? We'll get you some Benzinga merchandise.
All right, Luke, sounds fair enough to me.
Cool. Awesome, man. Well, thank you for hopping on. And
Any
happy
more
birthday.
picks, or you want to just move on? Thank you.
Let's keep running, but let's do another one next week. I'm all about it.
Sounds good, Luke. Thank you for having me on, and good luck, everybody. Just do your due diligence. Look at everything, whether
Awesome.
it's fundamentals, whatever it is. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Tony, so much for hopping on with us again. Happy birthday! You choose to spend your birthday here with
Thank
Zinger
you.
Nation. We love it. We're gonna hook you up with some
Everybody-
Benzinga gear.
Hey, everybody celebrates my birthday. Believe me, I'm sure tonight you're gonna go out, Luke. I mean, everybody feels a year older on New Year's, and they feel a year older on their birthday. Me, I only feel older once a year. So
There you
take it
go.
for whatever.
I like it. There it
All right,
is. Some
Luke,
final
thank
words of
you.
wisdom from Tony. Tony, again, we appreciate it,
Well,
man.
well, hopefully, I don't know if you've heard anything. Hopefully, Raz is good at the dentist. It seems like a hell of an appointment.
I know it's been quite a while. No call, no show. Just hanging out at the dentist. But
I think
we'll
maybe
see.
a Florida. I heard it was a Florida dentist, maybe. But who
Yeah,
knows?
maybe it was a Florida dentist. We don't know. He might have had some specialty care in Florida he needed.
Yeah, thank you, Luke.
All right,
Thank
man.
Aaron too. Aaron set the whole thing up. He
All
did a
right.
good job.
Shout out producer Aaron. Let's go.
Happy birthday, Tony.
Thank you. Thank you. You guys are making me
All right.
blush here. I'm not used to being on. You guys are used